Okay, these are the given values: pressure angle, number of teeth on pinion, reduction ratio 2.4, base weight 45 mm, module 5 mm, speed of pinion and BHL. What you have to find?
Wear strength of gears.
Wear strength means SW, wear strength. This numerical was asked in exam and it's very straightforward. Formula for SW is
B into Q into dependence.
I had told in this K, Q, B,
Dependence.
dP dash. Same formula, B, you write B first. This somewhat becomes easy to remember. K, Q, B, dP dash. Now which parameters are known or which we can find? Tell me. B is known, directly given.
B dash.
What is formula for K?
0.6
BHN upon 100 square. BHN is given, so we can find out K. Right? So K will be calculated. Now Q, what is formula for Q ratio factor? 2 ZG upon ZG plus Z1, ZP plus Z. Now here ZP is known, right? Can you find out ZG? Everyone? ZG कैसे find out करना है? From I. I is given, so find out ZG first. So using I is equal to 2.4. That is equal to ZG upon ZP. Therefore, ZG equal to 2.4 into ZP. 2.4 into 25. 60. So ZG is equal to number of teeth on here 60. So you can get Q. Now dP dash. Before you calculate Q, let us discuss dP dash. Is it given? dP dash is it given? Can you calculate?
Yes.
How? dP dash is equal to M module. If module is given, many other parameters can be found. dP dash is M into ZP. Module is 5 millimeter. ZP is 25. So dP dash is 125 millimeter. Now you need to only calculate Q, ratio factor. 2 into ZG 60 upon ZG plus ZP, that is 60 plus 25, that is equal to 1.41. You can round it on to 1.42 also. Put all the values and get SW. That's it.
6149.
Each value 0.77.
6149.
0.77.
K is 0.16 BHN upon 100 square. Now
0.7744.
7.
744.
Okay. So we have to put all these values in the equation. K,
6149.
Q, dP dash, and this P is equal to 44.
6149.
So by putting all the values, 614.
136.
Point
136. 5.
I expect unit and you tell me digits. Whenever I again look back, it means I am expecting what next? Unit. No digits. Okay, 6149.36 Newton.